welcome back to my channel. You know I'm smiling because food is involved in this video. Okay, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Jessicabelamo. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like this video, leave a comment, all of those good stuffs, you know. Yeah, we're back with another video. So I ordered 2 different kinds of food, and we're going to be doing a mukbang. Yes, this will be the first mukbang video on this channel. Yeah, this is not a sponsored ad. I just thought to do it, and I don't know if you guys are going to enjoy it. So if you enjoy this one, let me know in the comment section and we'll do another one, right? So this is it. I started unboxing already. If you're Nigerian, you know this. Ouch, it's so hot. Okay, this is Okpa. I am so in love with Okpa. So I got this. I found their page on, or I've been seeing the page on Instagram. So I just thought, let me just order and taste and know what it's like. I love Okpa, so I just hope this tastes good. I also got Abacha. Let's start with the Okpa. So let's taste. It's well seasoned, well made. The spices, that's the pepper too, is in the right proportion. That's for those that don't eat pepper. This is fine for you. This is okay for you. It's really nice. I don't know about you guys, but if you don't eat Okpa, I don't know what you eat though. This is made from bambara nut and it's very healthy. Yes, well, it's supposed to be healthy. I like the fact that the salt is also the right proportion. I mean, we're not supposed to be eating too much salt these days, so this is perfect. I have my water here with me. Okay, I've had enough of this. Let's try the next. Let's try the Abacha. Okay, this is how it came. This is the Abacha, I guess. This is garden eggs, onions, this leaf, I don't know what it's called. Igbo people, please help me out. And then fish, one big one and a small one. And I think this is pepper sauce. I think. Yeah, this should be pepper. And this is uba. And this is bomo. Yeah. This sold for 2.5. A plate like this, 2.5. And did I mention the Okpa? 5, right? Yeah, 5 pieces for 2,000 naira. So that means one is 400. Yeah. And then I paid delivery to my place. So delivery is not free. Yeah, note that. So let's dig in. Okay, let me just mix this pepper sauce. Pour this. Oh, what is this? Okay, I don't know if this is how the pepper is supposed to be, but I really don't know. It's quite watery, so I don't know, but I'm going to pour it. Let's pour it. Yeah. Okay, mix a bit of this pomo here. I'll mix this Okpa. Let me just taste a little of everything. This is African salad. Am I right? I think that's the name in English, African salad. No, this is nice. It's been a long time I ate this, but I can still remember, like, I still know what it's supposed to taste like, so I will not be wrong if I say this tastes nice. I didn't give my review before I forget. So it's good. It's very good, and I like the pepper. Oh god. If you don't like pepper, maybe you shouldn't add that. Okay, I made a mistake. I would have tasted this before pouring the sauce, the hot sauce, so I will know if it's spicy on its own before the sauce. I don't know, but I don't know if it's that little container. See how little it is. If it's that little thing that made the whole thing so spicy, but it's spicy. If you like pepper, please indulge. But this is nice. If you're in Abacha and you want to get Okpa or any of this Igbo food, Ugba, Isiu, Abacha, Okpa, all of that, just check their page. This is their name. Yeah, their phone numbers are there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've tasted this Abacha or Okpa. And if you're looking to get yours, you can get it. I've shown you the Instagram page. You can get yours and enjoy. If you want to see more mukbangs in Abuja, because I'm based here, just let me know. And if you want to send me food, I'm not going to say no. This pepper is really delivering me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. So bye for now.